It was just one squeeze of that trigger and you just die.
Can't believe. After so much years, I'm married to the devil.
Mr. Jason, you strike me as somebody who may be on drugs. Are you on drugs?
You say if you confess, your sentence reduced dramatically, you know.
They don't have enough evidence to convict you.
Remember, you know, I see him with them, I say, cartel never have enough evidence, you know. And at 13 years, you do, you know.
It's a little baby. You say that maybe. Alright, tell you what. How about you come in on Friday evening at 2 p.m. Free. You're still in denial from the last session. Listen.
In denial about what exactly?
You're in denial. You're not happy and you need to be happy. You need to get a little husband in your life.
Daughter, I'm beginning to realize that she may be involved in those murders.
And I'm currently representing my client who is Dr. Hansen.
I can't. Me don't want to be a part of this, honestly. Please just leave me inside.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
That's how you do that.
I will never hurt you.
Jesus Christ. But doctor, you alright?
Listen, I love my husband, you know. But he's a sick individual who needs psychiatric evaluation. I think I'm gonna put you out of your misery.
Man. Come on.
Just think about it as a mini vacation.
I shouldn't even know, you know, man. I shouldn't even know what you're doing, you know.